Hey everyone, check out this portable cordless car vacuum featuring a powerful 18,000 PA brushless motor for deep cleaning. It weighs just 1.3 pounds, making it easy to carry and store in tight spaces like your glove compartment. With 2-speed modes, you can switch between gentle suction for delicate areas and high power for tough dirt and pet hair. The 2200 mAh battery charges fully in only 2 hours using USB-C, so you can clean anytime without cords. It comes with an 8-piece accessory kit, including crevice tools, brushes, and extension hoses for every cleaning need. Emptying the dust bin is simple and mess-free thanks to its easy-to-empty design, and the washable stainless steel filter saves money on replacements. This mini vacuum is perfect for keeping your car seats, mats, and upholstery spotless wherever you go. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.